first Force for Good Fridays on YouTube, which I'm so excited about. And today I am going to be delivering roses all over Calgary with the kids that I nanny. So I'm super excited for that. So let's roll into it. All right, I got my box of flowers.
Okay, so this is what I have to do every time. Well, first off, I gotta get off all the dead leaves. Then I gotta cut it shorter. Shooting it at Selena.
Oh yeah, make sure you introduce yourself.
Oh yeah, also hi, I'm Taylor. I am Selena's friend. She babysits us. So, yeah. Once I have the flower, I grab one of the notes. You didn't outline this one.
I know.
Oh, I grab one of the notes and then I cut the paper. The string, sorry, can't speak. And tie it to the rose. And then you have it here. And we plop it in here. The rose petal has been impaled. Poor guy. I wanted to live a happy life.
All right, they are all done. Off we go. But first, we have to clean all this up.
Goodbye.
Look at all this. Ooh.
You said nothing.
The Bonnieville, going out to do Force for Good. Must take a break at the park. So we have one little bundle of roses left, so we put them together and now we are going to give them to one person. That is a wrap on yesterday's Force for Good Friday. I was so excited to be able to really go out and spread some kindness. Now the interesting thing about yesterday was that when we were handing out roses, a lot of people actually didn't take them, but that was okay because the people who did take them really appreciated them and really enjoyed them. And it was also a great learning opportunity to know that, you know, some people weren't comfortable with taking them, but you know, we had to really look at the good, and it was hard to actually give away some of the roses, but we figured it out and we gave them all away. So that was it was a very exciting Force for Good Fridays, and I'm so excited that that was the first one we shared on YouTube. So don't forget to subscribe to get more like this. See you later.